will be coming from Isaiah, the 33rd chapter, verses 22. So the Lord is our judge. The Lord is our king, and it is he who will save us. So this morning our skit is about being on trial in the court of forgiveness. So please sit back and relax.
All right. Judge Jesus is alive.
Wait a minute.
All right, Judge. This court is now in session. Y'all may all be seated. Prosecutor, what have you done for me today? Your Honor, I have brought before you today people of disgrace and dishonor to your kingdom. These are the worst crimes I have ever seen. And they have broken so many of your laws. And they seem to have no remorse for their actions. Let them speak to their respect. I will listen. Valgerd. Young man. Can I see your mom? Young man, you have been charged with the crime of theft. You were caught in the act of robbing one of the largest financial institutions in the kingdom. There were many witnesses present, and the stolen and robbing one of the largest financial institutions in the kingdom. There were many witnesses present, and the stolen evidence was found on you. I cannot imagine what you could possibly say in your defense, being that you are so obvious guilty. But you may speak.
Your Honor, I beg the court to have mercy on me. You know, I was wrong in what I did. I did only make excuses. My parents, they felt sad to me, and I got in with the wrong crowd. I never learned how to live in anger. All I can do is follow under the mercy of the court.
Young man, there can be no mercy for you. All crimes, all crimes must be equal. There is a punishment, and you must take it. A law is broken and cannot be just swept under the table because the criminal cries for mercy. You may sit back down. Loretta Stone. Young lady, you have been charged with lying. You are a horrible liar. And many lives have been affected, and many have been hurt. I don't even think you know how to speak the truth anymore. That is one of the worst crimes.
Worst crime? How could lying be as bad as stealing and murder? All I did was tell a few like that.
A lie is a lie, no matter what code you attach it to. The lies that you have told have hurt countless people. It has affected many people's lives, their families, and their relationships. All done for your gain. This law is a law against speaking falsehood. And someone as guilty as you, or having been caught in numerous lies, should be punished to the full extent.
That's not fair. I need another chance. I can stop lying. Really, I can. You've got to give me another chance. Maybe no one taught me how to lie when I was little. I've never been before the judge before, so I think your Honor should go be at me, like in baseball, so please practice for your Honor.
There is no second chance. When you break the law, you are guilty, and you must pay.
How much the fine?
4 for. Now sit down. That's it. Shaba Clayton. Shaba, you have been charged with adultery. This is the law that we don't take lightly. The law states that married couple must remain faithful to each other, and no one else shall physically join together who is not married.
People don't get that done anymore. It's a different world, Mom.
You may think things are different, but you may think things are different and people don't follow the laws anymore, but the truth is, it's still the law, and you are guilty of breaking it. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
How can you stand here and say that you are not guilty? You are clearly caught in the act. Your partner in crime has confessed, and you have even admitted in your statement. You don't have a defense.
My defense is that the law should be changed. No one follows that law anymore. If people are breaking it, then why do you incentive to keep it?
That's no excuse. It is the law, and all laws are taken very seriously. You must be punished appropriately.
That's not fair. I know a lot of people who break that law, and they're not on trial. How come they're not here?
That is not how it works. You broke it, you pay for it. Every law broken has a consequence to pay. Now sit back down and take your judgment. Now, Your Honor, this is all I have before you today. You can obviously see they are guilty. Would that be all, prosecutor? Yes, Your Honor. This should be an easy decision to make.
As a judge and lawgiver in the kingdom, the final decision rests in my hands. So you all are guilty of breaking the law, and the punishment is very severe indeed. As you all know, as judge and lawgiver, I am also Lord over the land. If you lords should mark iniquity, O Lord, who can stand? But there is forgiveness with you, that you may be feared. For with the Lord there is loving kindness, and with him is abundant redemption.
Of course, Your Honor. But surely you also require that your laws be upheld, and that punishment be dealt to all convicted lawbreakers. Your laws say that they must pay for their crimes against you and against the kingdom.
And the law will be carried out.
Very good. Would y'all please stand?
I hereby state that the three criminals who stand before me today are guilty of their crimes. However, they will not suffer the punishment for those crimes, and I will now let them go free, forgiven of all.
Yes. Praise the Lord.
But, Your Honor, you can't break your own laws. The law states that they must be punished. These crimes must not go unpunished.
And they shall not. The punishment will go to another.
To another? Who?
I will take the punishment for them. I will take their place.
But, Your Honor, the punishment for this crime is death.
I will die for them. I will take their place just once.